woke up at 4:30. I went to bed at 7:43. It's a 2-hour time change. So basically I went to bed at my normal time at home. And it's gonna suck because tonight I have to, the event goes till 11 p.m. 11 p.m. In home time, I wouldn't be getting back to my hotel until 1 a.m. This weekend is gonna ruin me. This 5-day week is going to ruin me. Everything's gonna be so out of whack. I'm gonna be so exhausted after this little 5-day week. My paycheck should be pretty decent, so at least I hope it is. Hit the gym this morning because I probably won't hit the gym at all anytime soon until Sunday. Maybe I should go find the gym. Hey, Dick, look at that. Oh my god. Back from the gym. I walked 33 minutes and then I did some arm stuff and some ab stuff. I saw this cat outside of the hotel and it was meowing for me to let it in to, you know, get some warmth because there's snow outside, it's cold. You know, I was like, man, I really wish I could help this cat right now. And I was like, man, like, that's literally me. And every job, it's gonna be harder. It's not even gonna get easier. It's gonna be more difficult. And, you know, I'm in the difficulty right now, right? Like, this job is hard for me. And with every level, it's going to get harder, right? And that's kind of, you know, how it should be. You know, you're just on this journey of solving problems, basically. Whether for it's yourself or for other people, you're solving problems for others, you know, realizing that you're on this journey and on this path, and you know that you're here. Sometimes you just gotta suck it up, right? Sometimes you're locked outside in the cold and you gotta figure out how to survive, and it's just how it is, and you just gotta figure it out. And sometimes you're exhausted, you're tired, and all you want to do is just give up. The most growth comes from the part where you want to give up the most. Like, it's where you grow and where you get character. So just remember that when you're going through a really tough part, whether that be in your job or, you know, you're in a situation and feel like there's no way to get out. Just remember that, you know, you have the ability to save yourself, and you just gotta sit with it, get through it, you know, go through it, because that's the only way you're gonna get through things. Just keep trying, keep working, and eventually you get to where you imagined yourself to be. Enough meaningful talk. I'm gonna go get in the shower now. That's it. I'm doing my posting for the morning of my new YouTube video, and thank God I can post my videos because I'm 2 hours behind, so I can post it earlier, which is great with my schedule because I'm so busy with this job that, you know, trying to do YouTube also very hard, you know, when things are at the same time. So okay, let's go get this day done and dusted. That the power doesn't go out.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, where do you guys have a set? That's all.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm tired. What time is it right now? 10 o'clock, which means it's 12 o'clock back at home. I'm exhausted, and all I want to do is go to bed. So what are we gonna do? Our job. Sometimes this is like the worst part. No, this is the worst part. Especially if you mess up. It's even worse. But luckily for us, we managed to get through today without a mess up. If everything goes to plan, and if all of my things are working, hypothetically, everything should work swimmingly fine, and it should be good, and I can go to bed early-ish. I took a shower, and thankfully the audio card is scanning, so, because last weekend it wasn't scanning, and you can go check out my vlogs to see that whole hot mess. But I don't even care what my hair looks like, because in the morning it's gonna be all messy. 10:21, which means it's 12:21 at home. I'm not used to pulling midnighters. I leave my watch in standard time because my girlfriend is in Eastern Standard Time, so I leave it so that I know that like what time she's at, and it also just makes me feel like she's like a little part of me is with her, like her time, you know. I don't know. Listen, it's late. I'm just kind of talking out of my ass right now. I'm just gonna say, okay. I mean, you know what they say about late night talks is like, you know, the truth comes out. So I need some chapstick. My lips are dry. My eyes are dry. My skin is dry. Everything's just dry. I should probably go put some lotion on. Lotion sounds like a good idea while I'm waiting.